Have you ever had a sketch that was overdefined and had a hard time fixing it? The plus sign in front of the sketch indicates it's overdefined, and the warning message suggests deleting some dimensions or sketch relations. The more complicated the sketch, the harder it can be to resolve it. Sketch Expert is a tool that is designed to do just that: fix overdefined sketches. The command is started by clicking on the red overdefined in the status bar. Selecting Diagnose will display a number of possible solutions. The number of solutions varies, depending on the sketch. The deleted dimension or relation is displayed in the Property Manager as well as on the screen. Also, and most helpful, a preview of the sketch that results from deleting that dimension or sketch relation is displayed. We can cycle through the solutions, forwards and backwards, until we find the one we want. When we accept it, the sketch is no longer overdefined. Thank you.